Hello and welcome to Got Basic. I'm Corey Smith. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Graphics Workshop by Crescent Software. This is a package that claims to be a comprehensive collection of graphic subroutines for use with EGA and VGA displays. It has 5 major components and capabilities not present in regular Quick Basic, and can also significantly reduce the size of your programs. It has low-level graphics primitives that are faster and smaller than their basic equivalents. It has routines for saving and loading full-screen images in the PCX file format. The text display routines that accept both foreground and background colors and can scale to nearly any size. It has high-level menu and input routines, as well as offering many methods for visual effects such as wipes, fades, and exploding images. So I already have it installed. We're going to go into the graphics workshop. GW, yeah, workshop. It's either workshop. I think it's actually GW shop. Okay. And I have a couple of executables in here. This is what I'm going to launch here is the demo that would ship out. If you were interested, you could reach out to the company. Before purchasing it, they would send you a demo disk, and this is that demo. So we're going to launch it. And as you can see, it's got a nice little drawing going on there. Now we're getting a little bit of a color swapping going on there. Okay, so we've got basically 3 sections to the demo. PCX files and special effects. Let's go ahead and do that one. Press 1. So there's an example of a transition. It can handle vector fonts, as well as supporting your own fonts, the fonts that are already come with it, and you can create more yourself. There's actually a font editor that's included. And it has the ability to pan images. And then we're back to the main menu. Now we're going to do the additional primitives power. There we go. So as you can see, we got a little bouncing circle and line. So you got lines and circles and boxes and fill and all those sorts of things. And they all have XOR capability. And of interest here is actually the fact that you also have a full menu experience that you can take advantage of. So then here's a kind of a screenshot of the font editor. And we're back to the main menu, and then we've got some graphics primitive benchmarks. So that's a little bit faster, just drawing a bunch of lines. Here's some circles. Now keep in mind this is running inside a DOSBox, so performance calculations are like a little bit up in the air. So that one's interesting. It's actually slower. And then we're going to see this. Well, that's a lot faster. Okay. Clearly painting and filling can be improved significantly. Here's printing a bunch of text. That's a lot faster. And this is kind of an interesting point, is that different video cards on different machines and different BIOS implementations could have drastically different performance characteristics. They're pointing out they've seen cases where it was 25 seconds versus 2 seconds for Gprint 0VE. And then we're back to here. And so what does this mean is that you get additional functionality that you can add into Quick Basic, where if you wanted to draw graphics at a higher speed, pretty much in the same limitations as the existing Visual Basic, where except for the addition of PCX support. So you still have lines and circles, and you have obviously you've got the ability to create a pattern and that sort of thing. So everything you're used to already being in there, just far faster. in most cases. And like I said, the performance is a little iffy because running inside a DOS box can kind of throw things off there. But in any case, you kind of see that there's some stuff there. So what does this mean? So Graphics Workshop is a product that was a paid-for product back in the early 90s. And as such, I never experimented with it. Now that it is a public domain, I'm going to dive in and see what we can do with it and maybe do some fun stuff with it in future videos. Just wanted to give you a little bit of sneak peek. In any case, stay tuned. There are more videos to come. Thank you.